In this video, we're going to be talking about this iFootage A400 series, and I really love it. To the point where I got another one, and I loved it that much where I actually got the larger brother of that. But in this video, we're just going to be talking about this guy right here. So this bad boy has a diameter of 15.5 inches, which is really nice because you have a wider foot spread when it comes down to the series monopod. However, it's going to be significantly a smaller footprint compared to the Manfrotto. Don't get me wrong, the Manfrotto is going to be, or any type of sticks, is going to be a lot more stable. You can see right here that it does wobble around a lot, but honestly, especially when it comes down to weddings, minimalism makes a huge difference, especially when people are always tripping over tripods or anything like that. This is what makes it far more superior. It's able to go significantly taller as well, so take a look at this. Boom! So if you do need height, it makes a huge difference. Look at that compared to this. This is the tallest. Let me actually go a little higher. That is the max height with this. And obviously, the higher you go, the more unstable it becomes. Where this one right here, it does wobble, don't get me wrong, but it's a lot more stable when it comes down to using a monopod, even if you were to get the larger sticks on there as well. But with that being said, it's very easy with this locking mechanism right here. Twist locks. You do have a hook right here. If you did have either a battery source of some type, excess battery or a cable, you could just kind of hang it off right here if you did want to. You can use these video lights onto these. Honestly, because of the diameter on here, it will wobble. So I did use my newer video light right there on this. It's capable, no issues. It does wobble a lot more. So if you are planning on using it with larger video lights, I do recommend getting the bigger one right here. This is the A500 because look at that. It's 19.5 inches in diameter and it makes that much of a difference. 3 inches versus the 15.5 inches right there. But with that being said, if you guys are curious in getting the iFootage A400, I recommend it, especially if you're planning on replacing your monopods with this right here. But the thing is, to honestly kind of compare it, it's a lot easier traveling with this versus with this because of that base. But once you kind of get into that motion, you're going to love this a lot more. It's more convenient moving around with this, but this is just more stable. Less likely that your camera is going to break. Your light, maybe, but camera, definitely. One thing to kind of take note before I actually end this video is that the actual tripod head, if you have it right here, if you're in an area where it tilts over, make sure you have one that can tilt as well.